What's up, guys? Welcome to Blake's Garage. Today we got the new BMW E30. This is Project Daily, Project Smog. So first off, what I'm gonna do today is try to go smog this thing. So we're gonna insert some clips right here. Let's get her done. So it's really been forever since I've smogged a car, but we're gonna see if this little guy can do it. I don't know. Hopefully, we'll kind of see. I don't know. Get a free resmog. They'll tell me why it fails. If it fails, now they're just running it. Beep. So we're at AAA right now. This thing passed smog, which is insane. It's awesome. Just changed an O2 sensor and changed the air idle control valve. Just like cleaned it up and boom, passed smog, which is great. Now I'm at AAA, about to get this thing registered and drive the beast. So I cannot believe this thing passed smog, but anyways, we're back home. I registered the car, as you saw. I went to AAA, got the thing registered. Title is going to be in my name. Well, it's in my name, but you know, gotta wait for the DMV to do their thing. So that'll be coming in the mail soon. This thing's registered to November. We're smogged up, we're ready to go. So now I think the next step with every new car that you ever get is let's start cleaning the nasty out of this thing. Alright, so I'm starting to make a little bit of money back. So, I mean, this is basically going to be a budget daily build, and it's already on its way. Yeah, we got that out, we got that out. Let's go ahead and take that seat out now. I always find this to be the best way to really clean out a car. Just get all the nasties and just take the whole seat out. Alright, so realistically, not that freaking gross. I mean, really, I found a couple buttons so far, a couple sunflower seeds, not too bad. Let's get this thing vacuumed up. All right, so we grabbed the petrol box. Boom. Let's. Ooh, almost cut my damn finger off. That was kind of sketchy. All right. I think I'm lucky I had gloves on because probably would have hurt a little bit. I don't know what I was thinking. Not paying attention. Okay, so. Ooh, this is actually freaking sick. I've never seen one of these. A model kit? Look at that. Would you just look at it? What even is this thing? I don't even know. I didn't look super hard, but it looks like a little model that you can put together of like a die-cast car. So it's a 1971 Nissan GTR. That is really cool, and it has kind of like a lift and everything. Sick. Okay, this is what I was talking about. You know, a lot of the time they include stuff I seriously did not know because well, it's the first I've opened this thing, but this month's kit includes some J-Wax FE Defcon, which I'm gonna assume is a fallout. Remember, let's see. Yeah, iron particles and painted surfaces, because, you know, we got that element for the iron, the FE right there. So very cool. This I will probably use on a car in the future, but I don't need this right now. But anyways, just kind of a segue, right? Because we love this type of stuff. I actually needed one of these because I'm going to be rubbing down some stuff. Lifestyles air freshener, which I may add to this thing. I think it's mint. I mean, it's minty colored. I'm gonna go with mint. Okay, fruit punch, candy. We're gonna have to make sure that's okay. Looks like that's fine. Oh, Tacoma spray bottle, and then far from stock t-shirt, which still are always gonna get you, like, you know, your proper size. So they always ask you what size gloves you wear, what size shirt you wear, all that stuff. So, ooh, burners, or Burnham. I can't read. Burnham. I like that. It's kind of that baseball throwback, and that is sick. I actually really dig the shirt. that's one I'll be wearing. So anyways, guys, use coupon code WRENCHON. I'll have a link down below if you guys want to pick one of these up. It is definitely my favorite automotive box because you get awesome stuff. And, well, I'm going to use this. In the future, I'm going to use this. I'm going to play with this. And, well, it didn't come with this, but, you know, we're going to shank something with this. Yeah. Let's continue. All right, guys. So, as you can see, the interior is back in. It's been raining out, so I put this little, like, well, little cheap freaking rug thing. It actually came with the car. I just kind of cut it real fast and put it around there so I wouldn't get it real dirty down there. But you can see it looks really good. I cleaned up all the seat bracket stuff, cleaned up the seats as good as I can. You know, this area is pretty good. Sure, it does have a bit of cracking, you know, just a little bit. But hey, this thing is, you know, it's basically 32 years old. So, you know, a little bit of wear there. I'm going to try to get a new rear seat for it, possibly this weekend. So we will see, because I got this little rip here, which that's no big deal, but this is kind of ugly right here. This is some glue that they just glued it back together. I mean, overall, not super disgusting or anything, but you know, whatever. I want to work on probably a budget stereo system, I think. I already put in a head unit right here, so all this thing does is just Bluetooth, and it has a USB. No CD player, because realistically, who needs a CD player anymore? I mean, come on now. Yeah, it's automatic, and it drives very smoothly. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put a new clutch fan, or fan clutch. Let's go ahead and do that real quick, because it's been getting just a little bit hot when I'm sitting in some traffic, and I don't know. I feel like maybe the fan clutch is not engaging completely. So I'm gonna go ahead and rip the shroud off real quick. I've done a video on this before, so click the little eye up here in the corner, and you guys can see the video on that. Soon, gonna have to clean up the engine bay as well, because it's pretty dang dirty. So I think that would make a good video for you guys. Drop some comments down below on some other daily videos, or like project daily videos you guys might want to see on the E30. I think that about wraps it up for this episode. Like I said, I'm gonna throw that clutch fan, or fan clutch, or whatever. Like I said, it's always a weird one to say. I'm gonna throw that on the car. The thing's smogged, which is awesome. So it's registered in my name. It has registration paid up till I think November or something in California. That's how we do it. We pay every year. I know other states are the same. It's smogged, which some states do not have. We do have pretty heavy smog regulations here, and I'm super impressed that this thing passed. I mean, a $660 car, come on. I've only thrown a little bit more money at it so far. I bought a stereo, bought the rear calipers, 2 new rear calipers, and brake fluid. That's a plus. What else have I done so far? A little bit of hose just to rig it because it had a really bad kink. It's not perfect, but it's better. Eventually I will fix that up, but for right now, it works and it's better than it was. The stereo, and in the future, like I said, I think a little budget stereo system would be pretty cool. If you guys have any other ideas, drop them down below. I think that'd be awesome. And if you have a name for the car also, maybe we should come up with a name for it. So later, guys, and wrench on.